Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the dispute territory on the GeoExpert application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and you can find the sixth option, the disputed territory, and if you want to display, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.